Hi guys, Dan the Mountain Man here. Today we are making what I call baked burritos. And what you'll need for this is a 8-pack bag of your favorite store-bought burritos, or you can make your own burritos. But I like just doing the store brand. Just grab up the store brand burritos. Your can of your favorite sauce, or jar of your favorite salsa. 24. I usually use about the 24 ounce because that seems to cover it really well. And I do about 4 cups of cheese, more or less cheese if you like, depending on your preference. Most of the time I don't measure, I just kind of cut and make sure it's covered. And black olives and jalapenos, what you need. Alright, well, let's let's get this set up. And I got the oven preheating, the 375. So and when we put that in, we'll put it in for about 30 minutes to let the cheese and everything melt. And the burritos take about 25 minutes, so I had about a 5-minute for the cheese and everything to cook through as well. So let's get this going. Okay, first you want to get a 13 by 9 glass cooking thing here, and to make it easier to get the burritos out, I don't always spray it, but it's a good idea to I like spraying it sometimes just to make it easier to get them in and out of the thing. Let's see, we want to get your burritos open and just get them set up in the bowl. Let they flap down. This is not going quite well. Yeah, there we go. Alright, we got them in there. I got them sitting in there. Over there. And you just take your jar of salsa. Let's check it up a little bit there. Alright. Take a jar of salsa. And you're just going to want to spread it over your burritos here. Give it a real good spread. Just take the spoon. Take a spoon or a rubber spatula. I can't find my good looking spatula. And just spread that on out there. Then what you want to do is take your first cup, thing. There you go. Well, that's just 2 cups. Okay. We'll take 2 cups of cheese here. And put that on there. Get it all spread out real nice. Alright. I'm going to go ahead and work on putting the jalapenos on here. We're going to no set number. You just spread them out to your liking. If you don't like jalapenos, You don't have to put them on here, but I like jalapenos, so I'm gonna spread them out here. I make this for dinner sometimes, and then sometimes I'll take it and make it and take it to work for me when for my lunch break. Alright, that's a lot of jalapenos, but I like jalapenos. I like hot stuff. Can't take super hot stuff, but I do. A lot of people say that what I think is mild is super hot, so then you just take your black olives and spread them. I got this little can here, just a small can. Just spread it out because I like putting the black olives on it. I know it might not be that much of a Mexican thing, but it's just something I like to do. Just get them spread out pretty good, and then I'm going to take the next 2 cups of cheese here and just cover that up. And when this melts, it'll look really good, which you'll see at the end of this here video here. We just want to spread it out here because this cheese will melt really good on here. Get a good and spread. Alright, there we go. Alright, now let's I'm gonna go put this in the oven. Like I said, about 30 minutes to 40 minutes, and just gonna check it, see if it's up to temperature and melted the way you like. Alright, we'll see you in about for the 30 minutes here. Okay guys, it's time to pull it out. It's been 30 minutes for this, so we're gonna pull this out here. Oh yeah, look at that. Alright, that turned out really nice looking. So what we're gonna do is let this sit here for a few minutes and cool. Alright, well, we'll see you in a few minutes. But doesn't that look good? Alright, we're gonna serve this thing up and give it a try. See how it goes. We're gonna take one of these ones that are on the side here and just get in here with the thing. It does really nice here. It looks like about where the burrito is. Just take that and get up in there. Put it on the plate. This looks so good. Let me grab a fork here. Yeah, filming ain't always perfect, huh? But, break this open here. This is so good. That's great flavor. Alright, well, this is my baked burritos. I hope you enjoy. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you'd like to see more videos like this, subscribe to my channel. And while you're here, check out some of my other videos. Alright, well, I'll see you guys later.